Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a basic minimum makeup look. Basically I'm going to be travelling to Devon today and I just want the most basicest makeup there is, and I thought I would do this with you guys because a lot of people do think that a lot of my videos are basically like full glam, so I thought we'll do a little like minimal makeup, sort of basic. And if any of you guys are out there that are new to makeup and want to learn a few tips and tricks, then this one is for you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribing and make sure you hit the bell, and I will see you all in the next one. Let's go. So let's begin. The first thing I'm going to do is my brows, and I'm just going to use my NYX Lift Snatch brow pen in ash brown. I swear by this. This is just my go-to brow product now. I don't tend to go with anything else. This is just what I pick up and grab every single time. Yeah, it is just 10/10 this product. So let me just zoom you in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically draw in some brow hairs. I always do it messy because then when you tidy it up and make it look really clean, you can make it look really clean. So I like to be messy with makeup. Makeup is all about trusting the process, and people are very quick to judge people's makeup, but they don't trust the process. And you know, it's like when you draw a picture, you know your picture's not going to look amazing when you've first drawn it. Like, you've got to trust the process on it. There is stages, and this is a stage to a completed look. But yeah, how is everyone anyway? Like, how are we all? Like, are we doing okay? What's everyone up to? How's everyone like finding this weird and crazy summer? Because this summer has been probably the weirdest summer yet. The weather is just so bizarre. Like, it will be like really hot during the day, but then it's like really cold at night. Like, there's only been a few nights where we've had the fan on because it's like really muggy. But yeah, I don't know, the weather's really weird at the moment. The next product I'm going to go in with is the Beauty Bay Eye Base. This one's in the base 1 because I've already packed the base 3, so that video, you will see that video. So I'm just going to basically pop some on my eyelid, just like so, and then I'm just going to get a flat brush and just sculpt out that brow area. So do you see what I mean now, as in like trusting the process? Like, that's a little, like, that is so much more neater. But I'm always going to go in with concealer and tidy it up, so there's no point making it perfect to begin with. That's my theory of it anyway. That's the way I see it. I don't know if I'm liking this brush though. My other brush is packed. You know, oh, it's just, I don't know if I'm enjoying this or not. Just feel like it's not, no, it's not the one. Sorry if you can hear like cars going past. Like, the window needs to be open because it's like, it's really warm outside. It's really warm in here, and like when you've got a massive light on you, you get really, really warm. But yeah. Cool. So that is the brows done. Then I'm going to go in with, so I mentioned in my previous video that you guys will probably see, is I bought this new product. It's the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint. So let me just put on some primer. So I'm just going to go in with the Prep and Perfect Balancing Primer from Primark. This is with Avocado. So I'm just going to put some of this on. Oh my god. This is super, super nice, this primer. I love it. It's super, super hydrating as well. So, I don't know if this is going to be too dark, because I got it in the shade 21. Great, now I've got primer on my hands, I can't open it. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to be too dark. I'm hoping it will be fine, but I have a feeling it will be too dark. So I'm just going to take a brush. I'm going to put it on the brush. So, ooh, okay. Might even be too warm. We'll see. You can always put on like a concealer and... Oh wow. Okay. This is really, really nice. Look at that. Look how nice that is. This is so nice. Look how glowy that's made my skin. Wow, this is really nice. I'm gonna go over my eyelids actually with this. Look how nice that is. That has made my skin so lovely and glowy. I'm just going to add another, just a couple of drops just to do my neck. Because it is a little bit too dark for me, I just need to go down my neck. With it. But that is so, so nice. Look how glowy my skin is. That is absolutely stunning. I really like this. Oh my god. That is absolutely stunning. I love that. Look how glowy my skin is looking. Let me just zoom out. Look at that. That is so nice. Okay. I don't know whether to put powder on this, you know, because okay, it is a little bit on the wet side. Yeah, we'll set this down, but I don't think we're gonna need a lot. I really don't think we're going to need a lot. So I'm just using the I Heart Revolution setting powder in peach. I'm just very lightly going to just set this in place. because this is absolutely stunning. Now I've literally just used my smallest amount of powder, but look, I've still got that sort of glow. Wow, I am very impressed with this. Like, I absolutely love it. Yeah, this is a win for me. We'll pop a little bit of bronzer on, I think. To complete the look. So what the bronzer I'm going to go in with is by Collection. It's the Bronze Glow Enriched Vitamin E Coconut Scent Bronzer. And this is in Light Terracotta. This is honestly such a nice bronzer. Such a nice bronzer. Just gives you that really nice sort of bronzy glow. So I saw a hack the other day on, actually it was on someone else's YouTube channel, and just going to put some bronzer on my eyelids because I'm not going to use any eyeshadow. And I'm just going to go in with my brow pen quickly, just because some of the foundation went in the brow. Yeah, and they did this like different hack to like contour their nose. So what I'm thinking is maybe getting a couple of hacks together and doing like a makeup hack video. Like, if you'd be interested in that, like, comment down below, let me know, because I will happily do that. I'm just sort of thinking I can get a couple of hacks together and then we can do a whole video on makeup hacks, but doing our full face of makeup at the same time. I think it's quite a good video. So yeah, maybe we'll do that. I think we should put on a little bit of blush as well, you know. The blush I'm going to go in with is the Revolution Blush Reloaded in Rhubarb and Custard. This one is so nice and subtle. Like, as you can see, it's like really subtle, but when you put it on, it just adds that really nice sort of blush sort of glow. Can you see that? Like, it's so nice, but it's like, because it's subtle, it's really nice, like, especially when you're doing like a basic minimal makeup. I think it's really good for that sort of look, because it just gives you that really nice like sun-kissed sort of skin. But yeah, look at that, so pretty, so pretty. And then we're just going to go in with some mascara. So I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Sky High mascara in black, and I'm just going to pop that on. I love this mascara. This mascara will always be, it will always be in my makeup bag. I just love the way it makes your lashes look, and it doesn't, like, I don't know, I don't really have problems with it transferring onto my skin, but I have in the past had problems with like it being like flaking sort of thing, like, if you know what I mean. So you, like, where it dries, you get like the load of like black dots underneath your eyes. Yeah, I've had that before, but I haven't had that with this. But also, I just like the brush. I'm not a fan of mascaras that have got like that really fluffy brush. I prefer the plastic brushes to the like bristles. That's just like another personal preference, but I just find that this grips to my lashes and it doesn't clump up as much. But with other mascaras, I definitely find I would go to more with these brushes than like a fluffy brush. Look at that. Look at my lashes. So nice. I'm going to go in with my lower lashes now. With this as well. I haven't set up my filming room properly, so that's why like you've got the boiler in the background. I don't normally have that in my background. But because obviously like I'm literally just wanted to film this and then I'm going away, like I'm not too fussed as to, I didn't have anything set up, so it was just a quick video to do for you guys. It's quite a good idea I think for a video as well. I like these sort of videos because you don't have to be all bloody glam all the time, although I'd love to be. I just love doing glam makeup, but having that minimal makeup look, you can still look amazing. And then also, you don't need makeup to look amazing either. Just wanted to point that out there. You don't need makeup to look amazing. Like, you can still look amazing without makeup. So, that is my minimal makeup. Minimal basic makeup. So, yeah. If you are liking this, shall I show you in natural light just so you can see like properly what it looks like? My bloody neck looks horrendous. Let me just grab you a second. So, let me turn my light off. So, this is what it's looking like in natural light. How stunning is that? Just zoom you out. How absolutely stunning is that? And that colour's not actually too bad. I mean, you can see that it's not fully matching my skin, but that is stunning. And look at the mascara. That is absolutely stunning. And I've still got that like glow, you know? Yeah, I like that. Anyway, thank you for watching and I will see you soon.